So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate a complete PDF file of any format in from a chat from Gemini. Now, in order to do it, let's say for example, if I want a PDF file that contains some metadata of previous stock exchange. So, for example, if I type write a sample PDF, or I just simply need to write create a sample PDF right there. I'll quickly write the prompt. Now, for example, if I written this particular prompt and hit enter, now it will take some time and you'll notice that in some time it will directly create a PDF file. So you can easily use this feature of Gemini to create some project PDF files or presentation files as well directly just by giving it all the important necessary details. Here you can see it has started to generate the data. I can directly export it to sheets as well if I want to, or here in the end of the report it will give me a PDF file as well. I can just simply copy this text from here and get the PDF file that I want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.